When you're starting industrial design, it's really easy to feel like you're doing everything wrong. I'm still learning too, but I've already made a lot of beginner mistakes, and I keep seeing the same ones again and again. So here are the top 5 mistakes industrial design beginners make from a student's perspective. Mistake number 1. Thinking industrial design is just about aesthetics. One of the biggest mistakes is thinking industrial design is mainly about making things look good. Sketching and visuals matter, but industrial design is really about problem solving. If you only focus on style and ignore the function, the ergonomics, and the usability, the design falls apart. I'm learning that design isn't successful just because it looks cool. It has to work for people. Mistake number 2, copying too much instead of understanding. At the beginning, I know it's tempting to copy sketches from Instagram, from Google, or from some other site. But references are helpful, but copying without understanding doesn't train your design thinking. What helped me more was asking why a shape works, how it supports the function. Understanding always beats imitation every time. Mistake number 3, avoiding fundamentals. A lot of beginners want to skip fundamentals because it feels boring. Trust me, I know it's boring, but it's really important. Things like lines, ellipses, basic forms, proportions don't look exciting, I know, but these are the things that will make your sketches look 10 times better. Make everything you try to design better. I resisted this too at first. But once I started practicing these fundamentals regularly, my sketches improved faster than I expected. Mistake number 4, expecting good sketches too soon. Another mistake is expecting your sketches to look good right away. Industrial design sketching is a skill that builds slowly. Bad sketches are just part of the process, not a sign that you're bad at design. I had to learn to treat the messy pages as progress and not failure. Mistake number 5, comparing yourself too early. I know it's really easy to compare yourself to seniors, professionals, and people online, but they're years ahead, and comparison kills that motivation fast. What matters more is comparing yourself to where you were a month ago. The people you see online or your seniors or professionals, you can learn from them. And you can learn from them. You can increase your understanding. That's not a problem. But don't compare yourself. They're years ahead. Improvement is quiet and it takes time. Bonus. One thing I'm realizing is industrial design is less about talent and more about patience. The people who improve aren't always naturally gifted. They are the ones who keep showing up. So if you're just starting out industrial design, don't stress. Don't stress about getting everything right. Make mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. And that's honestly how you grow in this field. These are the top 5 mistakes industrial design beginners make. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!